Hello there, I'm Ann Edwards and welcome to GE13 The Showdown. Now about an hour just before Prime Minister Datuk Sri Najib Tun Razak announced the dissolution of Parliament today on April the 3rd, the market reacted to it, a knee-jerk reaction, and the KLCI dropped to a low of 1,632 points, that's down 34 points. So the market knew. We are talking to Joseph Chin, who is multimedia editor of StarBiz. Joseph, the market knew, yeah?
The market was anticipating the announcement of the dissolution of Parliament, and because the stories had already come out earlier in the day, so they were just bracing for the time when the statement will be made. So there was actually a profit taking on stocks which have run up very sharply in recent days, especially Tenaga Nasional and some other index-linked stocks. So some of them were using this as an opportunity to sell on news.
Tenaga was down?
Okay, yes. Tenaga saw very volatile trade. Okay, it fell to a low of 7 ringgit 21 cents from a high of 7 ringgit and 84 cents. That's at about 60 cents difference. And as you could see, there was some bargain hunting. We saw the Tenaga just closing 3 cents down at midday.
During the midday break?
At the midday break.
Was this something that is expected? That was expected of the market, this knee-jerk reaction?
It was expected, but people are always looking for opportunities to buy. Buy when there's a sell down on the stocks, which are strong fundamentals, and we have good prospects, especially like Tenaga.
How will the market react from the day of dissolution on April the 3rd to nomination to election day? How is it expected?
I think a lot of investors are bracing for some volatile conditions. You could see the market coming off, rising, coming off, but basically you see a lot of volatility. The strong support for the KLCI will be about 1,600. You must know in January the KLCI hit almost 1,700 in January.
And in fact, the run-up to dissolution, there were a lot of inflow funds amounting to about 2 billion, and these were foreign inflows.
Foreign investors, they bought about net 2.4 billion of Malaysian equities in the open market last week, compared with only 193 million the week before. And so far this year, foreign investors have already bought about 9 billion of Malaysian equities, compared to for the whole of 2012, when they only bought 13.7 billion.
Okay, what's the reflection on this?
The reflections is that the foreigners are still confident in the economy, the country's economic conditions. The fundamentals are very strong. You see GDP growing between 5 and 6%. We've got very strong monetary policy, fiscal policy, and unemployment rates are very low at this point in time. Inflation will be around 2 to 3%. So we should see at the broader economic fundamentals. And also, just on Monday, Nomura raised the outlook for banking stocks in Malaysia to overweight.
This is actually a reaction as well.
Right. Actually, foreign funds are basically, of course, we might say there's a difference between the long-term foreign funds and also you have portfolio funds. Portfolio funds will come in very fast and get out very fast. But you see of late, the bigger institutions are coming in and buying stocks which are very stable. You got Aeon, you got Aeon Credit, you got Maybank, you got AirAsia, and all these stocks have strong foreign funds.
Okay, so during this period until election day, what are the sexy stocks?
Okay, you may see bank stocks, you could see utility stocks. These two stocks will see trading interest. And of course, there could be some downward bias.
But not construction.
Construction is still moving. Right now, what happens is that a lot of them are just staying on the sidelines to buy construction stocks because there is concern that the economic transformation plan may reach some hurdles if there is a change in government. But we don't see that happening. Basically, it's a lot of the construction stocks have got strong book orders. All the projects are rolled out. It's just people are just waiting. There are a lot of local funds who have not bought into the market. They're just waiting for when the market will come down before they buy back.
Okay, Joseph, thank you so much.
Okay.
Time's up, unfortunately.
All right, thank
we'll
you.
definitely have Joseph back on board to comment about the market from now until election day. There will be a lot of excitement out there. And Edwards, thank you so much for your time. We'll see you once again. Bye-bye.